We at Chima Morris Limited, along with Indian Institute of Technology Ropar, have developed this unique machine called Noble Cause. This is used for human body disposal. In this machine, we have taken special care of the air requirement for particular combustion. From the bottom, we are getting primary air, and from side holes, we are getting secondary air. This ensures proper blue burning and proper combustion. In this era of COVID, we need to burn all human bodies at a high temperature at about 1000 degrees Celsius. In this design, all these things are taken care of. We will show you the alive demonstration of this machine here in this video. Look at the color. This is the effect of secondary air. This is now see the insulation effect. You can touch when the temperature inside is 1000 degrees Celsius. The outside body is so cool that you can touch the body. This is how we get less fuel consumption. Look at the color of the flame. This is called combustion engineering. This is the real way of disposing human body. We have bought 500 kgs of wood and we could burn only 200 kgs in this, and the complete combustion is taking place and the body is burnt under sterile conditions. I wish that this machine should reach each and every village of our country, and we must modernize our cremation grounds. This machine is on the wheels, it is towable, it can be taken to any place wherever required, and it can be parked in a car garage. So let us promote this machine, let us save our trees, let us save our environment and save our country. This is Noble Cause machine. We have made it in collaboration with IIT Ropar for sterile burning of human body, especially for COVID and even otherwise. This is the technological drawing of IIT Ropar. The engineers can understand better what is shown in the drawing. Now let me show you some more feature of this machine. It is on wheels. It can be transported anywhere. The wheels are also special grade. Then entire machine is made of stainless steel. Different stainless steel is used for different applications with different thicknesses. Here the temperature is higher, so the higher thickness has been used. These are specially designed computerized secondary air nozzles. These are the nozzles. This is the technology of IIT Ropar, which creates flame, the best flame. This is the real technology. That is why this machine is expensive, and it has got a longer life of this machine. This side there are logos of IIT Ropar. and the manufacturer.